Welcome to V.I Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation.
Hello guys, this is your host Ratul and welcome back to another video of V.I Tech Academy. First of all, I'm very sorry for the past few days I was not able to upload new videos because my microphone got damaged. So now I have fixed the issues and from today onwards I'll try to make videos regularly. Okay, so welcome back to our channel and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you hidden settings of your Microsoft Windows, and these settings are hidden by the Microsoft. I cannot say it's a technically hidden, but it's psychologically hidden. Yes, Microsoft don't want you to use this feature. Why? I'll tell you what happened and what is the use of this feature and everything in this video. So stay with me till the end and you will really amazed by watching the video, and I'll show you how you can turn off these settings. Okay. So generally what happened, you may have seen this if you're using Windows 10, Windows 11 or Windows 8.5. You may face this. For example, you are working with Notepad, you are writing something within the Notepad, you have done something with Excel, you have done something in MS Word, and you just save it, or sometimes you did not save it, you just opened it. Okay. By the way, dogs are barking, so avoid that. So I don't know whether you are getting that sound or not. Just let me know in the comment section whether you are getting that sound or not, that dogs barking. Okay, so for example, you open one Notepad and write something and somehow your computer shut down. Let's suppose your supply goes off, your power off, or you are using laptop, so somehow your laptop battery battery down and your laptop is turned off. So when you turn it on again after certain period of time when it's possible, you have seen that if you open the Notepad, then the last text or the last file or the last work was appeared there. How many of you have seen this? Let me know in the comment section. This is because of Microsoft has one feature called fast startup, enable fast startup. So actually what does this feature do? When your computer gets off or shut down or something like this, when you are doing some work, it will actually save to that as a temporary ROM in your ROM. Okay, so when your computer again turned on, or you just turn on your computer laptop, what it does is it's quickly convert that, not convert it, it's quickly transferred that saved memory from ROM to RAM. So it may helps you to get fast startup. Okay, let's suppose 5 seconds or 4-5 seconds it helps, but guys, it actually sometimes creates problem. See what happened, you create some files, it stores in your RAM and go to ROM. Again you create some files, stores its RAM, again it go to ROM. Okay, so these things happen. So in that case what happened, your memory gradually, your memory of the computer gets full. Okay, your memory of the computer gets full. So guys, this is a problem. And now today I'm going to show you where you can find these settings and how you can turn this feature off. Okay. So before start the video, guys, before start the practical part, I have one announcement for you, guys. In February 2025, we are going to start our next batch of WordPress, and you know that WordPress is one of the most popular course in our academy. Why? Because if you know how to use WordPress, you can design any type of websites without any coding knowledge, as well as you can also learn these. I mean, you can design complete dynamic websites, not only the statics, dynamic websites, including e-commerce website, after just 2 months after completing this course. This is for everyone, whoever know the basics of internet browsing, you can join this course. For more details, check out our course page. Guys, if you want to support us, if you want to donate us, you can join us as a member. Click on the join button to learn more. Membership starts at 29 rupees only. Also, you can give us a thanks, which starts from just 40 rupees. So all these things will help us to help you in the future. Okay guys, so without further delay, let's start. So to find these settings, first you need to go to the Windows, search bar.
Start window, search
And
box.
type control panel.
Level, control panel system. All control
Press
panel
enter.
items, autoplay link.
All control panel items opened. Press tab.
Credential manager link, manage your Windows credentials.
Okay, tab.
Devices and printers link, view and manage devices.
Tab.
Fonts link, add, change and manage
Tab.
fonts on mail. Microsoft Outlook, power options
Tab.
link, conserve energy or maximize performance by choosing how your computer manages power.
So you need to go to this option, power options. Okay, in your computer you need to find these power options. Okay, now I'm just pressing enter.
Control panel home link.
Now it is showing me the control panel, home, etc, etc, these things. I'm just pressing tab. Simply I'm pressing tab.
Choose what the power buttons do link.
Choose what the power buttons do. Now next is you need to go here. Press enter.
Power options window. Change settings that are currently unavailable link.
So first is, see, listen it again carefully. I'm just
Voice America volume 1, Voice Variant 3, rate 30. Rate boost off. Rate 20.
Slow down the rate and listen these settings again, and then you can understand how Microsoft actually psychologically play the game. See.
Change settings that are currently unavailable link, focus red on.
Change settings that are currently unavailable. Which means by default if you see this, what do you think? Okay, I should not touch here. I should not go here because I don't want to do some wrong settings. If, rather than like as it is said that this settings is unavailable, but it's available. This is one of the, what I can say, psychological what I can say, psychologically hidden. This should not done, but people, you subscribe my channel na, so I will tell you. Okay, so now I'm pressing enter here.
Unavailable.
And see, I'm pressing tab.
When I press the power button, plugged in, combo box
Shift
shutdown
tab.
collapsed.
The first option is
Search box edit search. When I press the power button,
okay,
plugged in.
tab.
When I press the sleep button,
Tab.
plug turn on fast startup. Recommended. Checkbox not checked.
Understand. Turn on first startup recommended. So Microsoft is recommending this, but friends, you should not check this box. Okay, like me.
When I turn on fast startup, recommended. Checkbox not checked.
Okay. Do it not checked and then press tab.
Power options window.
Tab.
This sleep checkbox checked.
Tab.
Power options hibernate
Tab.
checkbox. Power option lock checkbox check. Power options win cancel button.
Cancel, and here you will get the save button. As I have not done any changes, so I am not getting that save button. Here you will get save button or OK button, apply button, something similar. Just do that, and next it will come back to the control panel. Just press tab. If you find any apply OK button, you need to do this. Okay, so this is one hidden settings which I have shown you, and with this you can, maybe your computer takes a little more time to turn on, but it will save a lot of memory of your hard drive. So this is how you can easily change these settings, and that's it for the day. If you are new in this channel, subscribe to this channel for more interesting tech videos like this, and like the video if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to let us know whether you like this settings or not, whether you are aware of these settings or not, into the comment section. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, bye bye.